Sure. I can help you create a button on a website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in separate files. Here's an example of how you can do it. First, create an HTML file, example index.html, and add the following code. HTML. Next, create a CSS file, example styles.css, and add the following code. CSS #mybutton. Background color #4CAF50. Color white. Padding 10px 20px. Border none. Font size 16px. Cursor pointer. #mybutton hover. Background color #45A049. Finally, create a JavaScript file, example script.js, and add the following code. JavaScript const mybutton equals document. Get element by ID, mybutton. Mybutton. Add event listener. Click, function. Alert, button clicked. In the above code, we create a button element with the ID attribute set to mybutton in the HTML file. We then link the CSS file using the tag in the section. The JavaScript file is included at the end of the section. The CSS code sets the background color, text color, padding, font size, and cursor style for the button. The hover pseudo-class is used to define the button's appearance when the user hovers over it. The JavaScript code adds a click event listener to the button using its ID attribute. When the button is clicked, an alert box with the message, "Button clicked," will be displayed. Remember to place all three files, index.html, styles.css, and script.js, in the same directory for the example to work properly.